Goa CM Dr. Pramod Sawant, while speaking in a live show on national TV on Saturday, said that no restrictions has been imposed on beaches of Goa. CM said there is no restrictions imposed on going to the beaches of Goa, but due to lockdown, people of Goa are not going to the beaches. When asked about Goa's success story in making Goa a COVID-free state, Goa CM Dr. Pramod Sawant thanked Goa COVID hospital team in making Goa COVID-free state. He said that 7 positive cases were reported in Goa till 3rd April 2020 and they were all recovered on 19th April 2020. He also said that extension of Janta curfew in Goa helped in spreading awareness amongst the people of Goa, which indeed helped in curbing the spread of virus in the state. When asked about the stranded people in other states who want to come to Goa, CM said that only through proper permission and conducting COVID tests first, which results negative of the person, will be allowed to enter the state. When asked about the migrant workers and foreigners who were in Goa during the lockdown period, Goa CM said that more than 10,000 migrant workers were kept in labour camps, providing them with necessary requirements. He also said that around 7,000 foreigners were taken to their countries from Goa in the lockdown period. When asked about the neighbouring states of Goa highly affected with COVID-19 and what will be the measures taken by the Goa state to maintain Goa as COVID-free state, CM Pramod Sawant said that Goa will follow central guidelines till 17th May 2020, which means borders will be sealed and only the person with proper permission and negative test results will be allowed to enter the state. When asked about tourism industry and mining industry which are currently on a hold in Goa, CM said that Goa state is in coordination with Central Tourism Ministry. The state will follow Central Tourism Ministry's plan to bring back tourism industry back on track. As of now, Goa will follow central guidelines till 17 May 2020. After 17th May, state government will think of tourism. And in regards to mining industry, CM said that he has requested Mines Minister for the resumption of mining activity in the state, which will help to grow Goa's economy during these difficult times. When asked about the number of COVID tests conducted in the state, whether they are sufficient enough, CM said that Goa's population is 15 lakhs, out of which 2,800 tests are conducted till now. House-to-house health survey is also completed in the state, which has recorded travel history and any health symptoms. If there is any COVID case in the state, then it might come from outside Goa. When asked about whether wine shops will be open in the state in lockdown 3.0, CM said that Goa will follow central guidelines till 17th May 2020, which has given many relaxations to the states which are in green zone. If anything is required to operate in the state, then Goa government will take permission from Ministry of Home Affairs. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and never miss any update.